Dear friends, my name is Daksh and I'm from grade 2D. Today I'm going to make my favorite pasta, Alfredo Pasta, and it's called as white sauce pasta. The ingredients are all-purpose flour, mozzarella cheese, white pepper powder, butter, fresh cream, milk, and oregano. And the main thing is penne pasta. First thing we need to do is to boil the water and add salt and pasta to it. After the pasta is cooked well, we need to strain it. First, we need to heat the pan and then add butter. And then we need to add the all-purpose flour. And then we need to add the milk. We need to stir well. Add the fresh cream. And then you need to stir again well. Next we need to add the penne pasta. After that we need to put the white pepper powder. And then oregano. And finally, mozzarella cheese. Thank you. And then stir well. And finally, my favorite pasta is ready. My dear friends, it looks very delicious. And hope you will also try. Thank you. Thank you, Grandma, for the recipe.